In this video, we're going to take a look at setting up a simple document retention module by turning on the archiving function and giving your users or your World managers the ability to manually archive documents in the World system. I'm going to start by taking you into the World administration program and showing you where the archived documents are being stored. Going into my primary profile group, edit. And you see down at the bottom, by default, the archive folder is created within the profile group's main folder structure. Now you have the ability to set alternate locations if you'd like. You see there's secondary locations available, but by default it will be stored in the main profile group folder. To turn on retention or the archiving function, you have to go to the WorldDocs INI file. The easiest way for you to get there is to simply start up the WorldDocs program by clicking on File Open in one of the associated programs like Microsoft Word, and go to Help, About, and with the About window up, Control D will give you quick access to your WorldDocs INI file. Simply double click on it and it will open. To turn on the retention module, in the Preferences section, you want to add the line retention equals 1. After you've made that change, save the WorldDocs INI and then close it. You can then close the debug window. And then the next time you reload your WorldDocs client, you will notice that you have a branch now for archive, and archiving is turned on. Now on my system, archive was on, and I've already saved a file, and you can see what WorldDocs does is it mirrors your same structure in your profile group within the archive branch. I'm going to take you out through Windows Explorer to just show you the folder structure that's being created. I'm going to go to my primary profile group, expand it, and now you see there is a branch for archive. And if I expand that out, you can see I have saved one file and a folder structure is created for that. So now with archiving turned on, your users will have the ability to locate files and then determine if they would like to archive them by simply right-clicking, choosing Archive, Move To. If you don't see Archive within your main list here, you'll go down to More and then you'll find it within this list. Move To, archive the file. Okay. It's then moved into the archive structure. If you would like to bring an archived file back into your main document store, simply right-click on it within the archive structure, choose More, Archive, Restore, and it will put it back in your active structure on the network. When you activate document archiving within WorldDocs, it would make a lot of sense to create a search template for archiving, for searching on documents that have been archived. You'll notice my focus at the bottom now is on the archive structure, and at this point I can search for my document and it will find it within the archive structure. At this point your user could right-click on it, select More, Archive, and restore it back to the active structure.